Also, the Duo GT features these side panels made from massive aluminium, and I took one from production that shows you how massive it is. It's really from one piece in a special arrangement here for this curvature. Here we have the fixation elements. We have a hole, a channel for the internal cable so that this is nicely hidden and invisible. And this also gives very, very good stability to the speaker, and at the same time a little bit decouples the mid-range horn, the mid-range tube, from the rest of the speaker. As in the Duo GT, the mid-range has a separate cabinet, a separate tube. We also have a little difference in the attachment of the horn. So I'll take it out for you for a moment. To show you that inside we have a spring-loaded mechanism. And this spring-loaded mechanism pulls the horn onto a rubber ring here on this decorative element, on this mounting ring. So when the speaker comes, in the accessory pack you will find a little fiole with a vegetable oil. And this oil can be applied either with a finger or with a little sponge to this rubber ring. So it's lubricated. And when we now turn in the horn, we will come to the point where this horn starts touching the rubber ring. But this is actually not the end, because I would recommend, or we would recommend, to here stabilize the speaker a little bit and then pull the speaker slightly forward. And then you can feel that you can still make a quarter to half a turn where the spring-loaded mechanism comes to the horn, which firstly secures the driver against the horn and secondly increases the pressure on this ring element, further stabilizing and keeping resonances out of the horn as such.